Hey, how you doing? It's like Pause, and in today's video, I'm gonna break down how to find a niche within a printable game market. This is one of the ways I go about finding profitable niches using Etsy. But what the information I find from Etsy does not only apply to Etsy. You can go off and use this for your own Ecom printable selling site or other sites such as Teachers Pay Teachers. And the point of this video, to make it clear, we as printable sellers, we don't create, we emulate, okay? I'm not a creative person. I don't have design or tech skills whatsoever. What I do is I just create products based off what's already selling, and I try to up it in value, up the bundle, up the printable product in value so that it sells more and it beats out my competition. So let's begin. Okay, let's get started. First thing you want to do is get on the Etsy website, okay? Really important. And this again works if you're selling on Etsy or if you're selling off your own e-com site, okay? Because I'm going to show you how to find these little niches that you can really earn with passively online. It's really important, okay? That you follow through and through. If you have any questions, again, let me know down in the comment section, or I should say, check out the timestamps because I might have the answer to your question listed down below. Okay, so you want to go to Etsy, and in the search bar, you want to write down, type in your niche, your category, okay? Now let's put it very generic, baby shower games. Okay, first thing you want to do is ignore the ads. As you can see here, there are 4 ads at the top. There's a lot we can learn and glean from the ads, but today I want to show you something that's much easier to understand. You want to scroll down to the organic listings, okay, really important. And you want to look at the star sellers, okay? The star sellers. Now, star seller is someone who sold, not only have they sold a ton of product, but they have a good customer experience, right? That's what all of these different platforms, from Amazon to Etsy to Google to YouTube, they all want to create a good environment for their audience. That's really paramount. Okay, so I've opened 4 different stores from these bestseller, or I should say, star seller shops. Okay, and from here, what you want to do is first take note of the keywords at the top. This is very important. Remember, we don't create, we emulate, okay? Well, at least I do. Myself and the ones who actually make a lot of money online, we are not much in the creative department. Some people are, I'm sure, but I'm not. I just emulate what sells, and I create a better product than what's already out there, okay? So we scroll down, so take note of the keyword here. We scroll down. Okay, you see reviews for this item. This is what we want. We don't want reviews for shop. We want reviews for this item. Okay, now we go to the sort by area. We click on the sort by and we go to most recent. This lets us know that this person, if it's, if they sold a printable bundle in the past couple of days, that means that they're still selling and we can get in this market and it's not stale or stagnant. There's money to be made with this particular type of product and this particular type of keyword. Okay, so as we can see here, right now as I recording this video, it's October 3rd in Japan. That means it's October 2nd in the United States, and they sold a product today. Okay, and they got a great review for this. Okay, now remember, not everyone who buys leaves a review. Actually, a small fraction of the people who buy leave a review. That's across the board. So this is a good indication. But we wanna make sure, we want to put the nail in the coffin and determine that these niches these types of products that are selling are actually a good market to jump into. Let's go to another listing. Now we have a more descriptive title. This is something we can work with. With the last one, Reese, I'm not sure exactly what this is. I will have to investigate further, but I do know this niche, the eucalyptus baby shower game. Okay, so eucalyptus is the leaves that are found in Australia that the koalas eat. Okay, we can look at the design. we can go to reviews for this item, sort by most recent, and we can see here that the last one they sold was, or the last person that bought and left a review was on September 30th, 2022, which was recently as well, a really good indication once again. Let's go to this one, boho baby shower games. This is a niche that I'm familiar with. I've sold a lot of boho baby shower games in my day. And if you're watching, then I recommend you do it too, because it's still a hot niche. Okay, especially if you have crispy prints, very easy to create. Actually, all of these different niches are easy to create. You scroll down, you see reviews by item. Again, we're gonna click the suggest by and click most recent. And again, October 2nd, 2020. Okay, really cool. And let's go with this one here. Now this is something of a blank baby shower game set. I guess the end user or the customer is going to design it themselves, or they're going to leave it blank. But this is a niche that I'm not sure how we would enter it. Okay, we scroll down, and again we click suggested by most recent. We want to make sure it's reviews for this item, and they sold one today. Okay, today, maybe just a little bit ago. But there's more we can learn from these star sellers. Okay, if we click on the shop. Each of these shops are unique. I'm going to click on each shop. Okay, I'm going to click on each shop here. Same thing over here. Now again, this is a great little tool, a great little method if you want to again sell on Etsy or sell printables off your own site. This is gold, because these keywords, not only are they trending on Etsy, I can almost guarantee you they're also trending on sites that we can get traffic from, like Pinterest. Okay, really important. Okay, so we can scroll down this star seller shop and see, we want to sort by most recent. Let's go to each of these shops and sort by most recent. Give me a second here. And what you want to do here is get as many keywords as possible, different niches within the baby shower game market that we can get, okay, so that we can go off and emulate them and create our own products that we can sell on Etsy, which has built-in traffic, buyer traffic, or off our own site, which I recommend. But you can do this on Etsy. It's just that the price of your product is going to be a little bit lower because you are competing with everyone. One second. Let's sort by most recent. And these are giant shops that they've sold a lot of product, and because they're star sellers, we can understand that they offer a really good customer service. And I also recommend that you go on and buy one of these products by yourself and experience the customer service that these shops provide you, what the type of delivery, zip file they deliver, what's inside the zip file, so you can emulate that and make profit that way. Remember, success leaves breadcrumbs, as they say. Okay, so we put most recent, baby shower games. I guess it's like a wreath, like something like a Christmas wreath. I don't think that's the case, but I have to look into this niche more. Here's one I understand: Bear Balloons Baby Shower Invitations. Okay, we have lavender table numbers. Okay, we have bridal shower games, greenery wedding invitations, bear balloons. Okay, so bear balloons seems to be a really good niche we can target. Okay, Winnie the Pooh is one. I kind of stray away from using even though Winnie the Pooh is public domain, don't misunderstand, I kind of stray away from using what was once Disney owned on these third-party platforms. I do sell Winnie the Pooh, but off of my own site, not on Etsy. Okay, here we have Woodland. Okay, so you want to jot this down on a notepad so you can keep that in your head, and remember, these are the products that sell. Let's do the same for this other shop, and these are the most recent. So we have Peter Rabbit, public domain, rustic baby shower, again, funny baby shower, Halloween's just around the corner, And they uploaded their Halloween product really early, because not really early, but in September, so that they can get that that Etsy ranking and get those sales coming in. We have prediction games, Mommy and Daddy. By the way, you can create all of these types of games off of Crispy Prints. That's the software that I developed to help me and my business. It's now available. You can check it out. There's a link down below, and just go to crispy prints.com. There's Honey Baby Shower Games. Okay, The Price is Right. Okay, My Water Broke. Actually, I don't have this game, but yeah, there's a bunch of games we can use here. We have the Pumpkin Baby Shower Games. Let's go to this next shop here. We see that there are again, boho means bohemian. I've sold a lot of bohemian types of games. We have, what else we have here? Let's scroll down here. I think they specialize in bohemian type of games. We have a greenery baby shower game set here. Okay, let me see what else we got here. Okay, first B-Day. First birthday. What we have these prints also are Crispy Prints. What else do we have down here? Let's go to the next shop here, and we have baby shower greenery. Again, this greenery niche is popping up a lot. Okay, we have a floral baby shower niche, jungle baby shower niche. Let's go with one more. Teddy bear baby shower. Okay, so again, not only are these vendors providing games, but as you can see, they also provide other types of related products to their games, right? Invitations. I recommend providing banners, printable banners. Again, you create this with Crispy Prints or do it on your own. Different types of fun add-ons that will give value to your end user, your customer. This is exactly what I do to find these little niches across all these different markets and categories to earn online passively, okay, in the digital product market, okay? So I recommend you do the same. Like and subscribe to this video if you learned anything new at all. And if you have any comments or questions whatsoever, let me know down below. And I hope to see you in the next video, okay? Again, if you like these types of videos, watching me break down how I go about finding a niche within a market, then by all means subscribe. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.